I created a privacy policy page. You can see it here. It is very simple. We don't store any kind of information of our user because this app is offline and it is not connected to any server. You have to provide storage access in order to store GIF file, photo or video on your mobile phone. Since we make money through AdMob ads, that is why Google Ads will show on your app. Now I will copy a link of this page and I will provide it here in privacy policy. So click on this option, privacy policy start, and provide your link here and click on save. Now we are done. We need to go to the dashboard here. What you have to do, if you have a website, so you have to create a web page on it, and you need to create a very simple privacy policy page. If you don't have any website, you can create a free website on wix.com. You can Google it, Wix, and here let me scroll down. This is a website, wix.com. You can create a free website, post your privacy policy on it, and copy the link of the page and provide it as a privacy policy. Or you can create a free website on WordPress, and you can do the same. If this is not an easy option for you, you can post on your page, Facebook page or any other social media platform, and copy the link of your post and paste it as a privacy policy. So you need to follow these things. Next we need to select app category. Because all these steps are done, select an app category and provide contact details. So select this option, and what is yes, it is our app, not a game. Category, select from here art, design, beauty, photography, video players and editors. So what should I select? Select this option, video players and editors. In tags option, when I click on this manage tags, and here we need to select few tags because it will help in search engine. Select this option, photo editor, photo frame. Let's scroll down if we find any further. Video editing, select this option also, and in the top we will select art and design, and we will select another option of entertainment. Click on apply. Our text has been selected. You can see it here, all the tags are selected. Now provide your email address here for contact details if anyone want to contact you, your phone number and your website link. If you don't have any website, you can, these stuffs are optional. Email address is mandatory and other things are optional. Now click on save option. This step is completed. This step is completed. Now we need to go back to the dashboard and scroll down. Here you can see this option is completed. Now we need to set up your store listing. To complete this task, click on it, and here we need all the details. Short description, convert your static photo to animated to moving GIF or video. GIF or video. Convert your static photo to a moving GIF or video file. In full description, using our app, you can convert your static photo picture to a moving GIF or video file. If you can convert static water in a picture in moving water, you can convert static clouds to a moving clouds in any picture. You can animate picture in very nice way using our app. So I think there is not a lot of feature in this app, so I think it's fine to go with it. Now next we need to upload app icon. For that we need to get an app icon from our Android app code because it is already there. So go to the file where your Android code exists. You can also access it from your Android Studio, but I will go to the code where it exists. Here is a folder with the name called Photo in Motion. This is, and here is the code. You can see it. Inside it, go to the app folder, go to the src folder, go to the main folder, go to the res folder, and here is the these files contain our logo, app icon, right? So open one of it, and here you can see this is the rounded one and this is a square one. Now I want this logo. I will copy it and will paste it on my desktop. Now here is our logo. I have to resize it because it needs 512 into 512 pixels. So for that I will use online tool for image resizer. For this option, and there is a tool which I already used, this one, and select here dimensions, and here is a 512 into 512, and select image from desktop, logo, this is our logo, and click on resize button. Download, click on this download button. Here is our icon, right click on it and click on save images and save it on desktop. It's, remember its name, 512 into 512 1, since because this name already exists, so there is a 1 in a square bracket. So click on save option, and now we need to upload it here. Click on upload logo. Here is our logo. Now this is our icon, right? Next we need to add a feature graphics. For all this stuff we need to open a theme forest from where we bought the app, and go from click on user name, and here click on downloads, and here is our app. Click on it. Now we need to take screenshot from this. These are features: convert your photo to motion, video or GIF, creation list, simply easy to use, easy to understand, AdMob is implemented. You can play video while editing, tutorial screen to how to use. Now these are our features. We can use this text in our description because our description is short. So go to the description first and scroll down and paste it. Let's check our description is good or not. Motion stunning video let you apply motion on animation effect on particular object. Just select the area and give direction for the motion. Blur, immerse, video, GIF. User can get picture or frames from the video, select image from the gallery and capture frame via camera. By using these three functionality very quickly, add music of your choice and make new motion film ready. Enjoy video, share with your friends, followers and family via social network. Photo in Motion is an app. Select image and transform them into a beautiful cinemagraphs or sweeping cinematic panes using our advanced stabilization and rendering technology. Use the movement tool at each point you want to give life and direct the effect. With the stabilization tool, you define the point or not be moved, avoiding undesired distortion if 3 stabilization. With the mask tool, you can define the region of the image that will not have movement. We need to remove some part of it. In this section, I think they are talking about any other app. Motion stunning video, this is another app I think. So remove this section and let's move forward in the feature graphics. So from here we need to take a screenshot. Open a snipping tool, and this is a snipping tool which is built in Windows, and I don't know if you are using Mac or anything else. So click on new. You can, if you don't have screenshot capturer, you can download from Google and install on your application on your Windows. So capture screenshot of this, save as on desktop and give it a name. Let's give it a name feature, just a feature, right? Now let's check what size they need. They need 1024 pixel into 500 pixel. So select 1024 into 500. Let's confirm once again. It's right. Now select image from desktop. Its name is feature. Here is the feature, and click on resize. Click on this download button. Here is our feature graphics. Click on save images and save it with the name 1024 into 500. So click on save option and go to the Play Store. Click on upload option and search here for feature. This is our file, resize file. So click on open button and it will take some time to upload. Now next we need to upload phone screenshot. For that we need to add 2 to 8 screenshots, and for that I will open the app in my mobile phone and I will take screenshots, and I will then upload it to my Play Store account. So you need to do the same also.